top story. As concerns mount over the 40 Indians kidnapped in Iraq, CNN-IBN has accessed pictures of some of them. These are the latest images that were sent to their families. After that, communication has been lost. Most of these abducted are construction workers from Punjab. Their families will be coming to Delhi today to meet the External Affairs Minister, Sushma Swaraj, to help secure their release. Mrs. Swaraj said the government is sparing no efforts to ensure their safe return. The government says the location of the Indians is not yet known and that they've not received any ransom call so far.
तो अभी क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके पास आ रही है?
वो अभी रात को जब उन्होंने बताया ना मीडिया पर भाई ये अगवा कर ले गए हैं।
अगवा मतलब किडनैप हो गए हैं। जब हरसिमरन से आपकी लास्ट बात हुई थी उस टाइम वो खुद क्या कह रहा था?
वो खुद कह रहा था मैं मम्मा बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हूँ, आपने अपना ध्यान रखना, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि वो किडनैप हुए?
जब थोड़े दिन पहले ना उन्होंने बताया कि मम्मा हम कंपनी जो लै गए कढ़ के ते मतलब सानू रखा सुरक्षित जगह से आ, सानू 3 टाइम रोटी मिलती है, कोई मुश्किल नहीं, मेरा मासा भी फिक्र नहीं करना। तो फिर अं थोड़े सैटिस्फाई रहे। जिदों तो सानू इतवार तो बाद फोन आना बंद हो गया ना, फिर सानू टेंशन पै।
Basically, ever since the phone stopped ringing, since then is when the worry has started off for the family. आपके वहाँ पर हस्बैंड है, आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम सीमा।
और आपके हस्बैंड का नाम?
सोनू।
तो क्या आपको कब से टेंशन शुरू हुई? आपकी आखिरी बात कब हुई उनसे?
सानू तो टेंशन उदन तो शुरू हो गई जिदन दे कहंदे कि इधर लड़ाई लग गई बहुत ज्यादा, उदन दी टेंशन सानू ते लगी है। ते बात साडी ऐतवार दी हुई आखिरी बात।
संडे को आपकी आखिरी बार बात हुई, उस टाइम पर क्या कह रहे थे वो?
उस टाइम यही कह रहे हैं कि सानू जहां पर जेड़ा हमला होया उत्थों सानू पी कढ़ के ले जा रहे हैं, सानू होर के थां ते शिफ्ट कर दिता उन्होंने।
So it's a very mysterious situation in fact, because all the family members seem to be unanimous on this one particular point, that they last spoke with them on Sunday. After that they could not speak with them, and the last conversation that they had, everybody said that they have been kept in safe custody, that they are all safe. But after that, since the communication stopped, since then they have started wondering what has really happened. Where are they? Have they gone missing? Have they been kidnapped? Or have they been kept in safe custody? ये किनकी फोटो है जी?
मेरे बेटे की।
तो क्या इस वक्त आपको जो जानकारी क्या है, आपकी आखिरी बार जो बात हुई थी, क्या बात हुई थी?
चलो कंपनी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਸੇਫ ਆ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ
हम सेफ हैं।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕੰਪਨੀ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਕੇ ਬਚ ਗਏ ਅਸੀਂ। ਹੁਣ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਦਾ ਐਤਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਣ ਡਈ ਆ।
Once again you see the same pattern, that they all spoke with their children till Sunday or with their relatives till Sunday, and after that they have gone missing. There has been no communication, and that's where they are now banking upon the government to provide them some information, some intimation.
बस्ती देना चाहती हूँ उन लोगों को। आज वो मुझसे मिलने भी आ रहे हैं, मैं उन्हें मिलूंगी भी। सरकार की तरफ से हर संभव, और केवल संभव नहीं, जिसे कह सकते हैं ना कि हम कोई कोर कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे। मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मॉनिटर कर रही हूँ सारे के सारे प्रयास, और कोई कोर कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे अपने भारतीयों को राहत देने।
As we said, no demands have been made for a ransom so far, but the Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal says he is ready to pay one if needed.
The situation in Iraq is very uncertain. What would be your course of action now?
As state government, I have instructed the Chief Secretary to ask the DCs to visit all the families.
You seem a little helpless, but is there only certain things that the Indian government can do, and beyond that it cannot do much? Would you acknowledge that?
They should do the maximum. And I can say that if any they want any, I don't know, I should not say or not, ransom or other thing, Punjab government is ready to pay the all the amount.
That we are willing to extend all possible help for getting our people back from there. Primarily, since this concerns an affair between countries, so it's the government of India that has to negotiate. But we fully back all efforts, and we have met our Chief Minister has met the Union Minister for Foreign Affairs, Madam Sushma Swaraj, and she has assured that the issue is being taken up.
Whatever is happening is unfortunate. I think that warnings had already been issued to our citizens, saying that they must prepare themselves for evacuation and they must try to get out of Iraq because the situation is deteriorating. Iraq government has been very cooperative with us. We have a very good relationship with the government of Iraq, and I'm sure that they will extend all possible help to ensure that Indian citizens are returned safely.
We are right outside the Iraqi embassy situated in Vasant Vihar area of New Delhi. CNN IBN did try establishing contact with the embassy officials and Ambassador Tehseen, but they simply refused to give any sort of a comment right now on the situation in Iraq. They are not even meeting journalists either on camera or off camera. Remember those 40 Indian construction laborers who have been supposedly kidnapped from Mosul in Iraq. The report that was confirmed by the MEA spokesperson Akbaruddin yesterday himself. The families of these abducted Indians have been giving a different theory. They have been saying that they've managed to speak to them even 2 days back, and these people have apparently been shifted to some location, some cotton mill 20-25 miles away from Mosul. But the Indian government really raising those questions that why would an organization like ISIS keep Indians in safe custody?